In this video demonstration, we will look at how we can use AI tools for email tasks. In this example, I need to write a reply to an email confirming my attendance at a meeting. Can you help me draft a reply? As we can see, the AI tool has generated a suggested draft email that we could use. We would need to change the details within the brackets, but it has pointed this out to us. Next, I would like to review the tone of my email. I ask, can you help me make this reply a bit more formal? And I copy and paste an email I have already written. Google Gemini will review this and generate the email in a more formal tone. I would need to review this content before sending it. We can also use Google Gemini for help with replying to emails. In this example, can you help me reply to an email when they asked for additional documents before the meeting? As we can see, Google Gemini has suggested how I can include this into my email with some context. I could copy and paste this, add in any more details I need, and send the email on. Finally, we can use Google Gemini to help shorten emails. I ask, can you help me shorten this reply without losing any important details? And I copy and paste my email in. As we can see, the suggestion is around 1 paragraph long. I would need to make sure that no information has been removed from the email, but it's a good way of using the AI tool to shorten the content that I am sending on to people. In this example, I used Google Gemini, but most AI tools have this functionality,